Last week, during week 4 of An Garda Síochána's road safety campaign, tragically 3 further people have lost their lives on Irish roads. On Christmas Eve, a 21-year-old male suffered fatal injuries when his car was involved in a traffic collision with a truck in County Limerick. On Christmas morning, a 48-year-old male suffered fatal injuries when his e-scooter was involved in a fatal road traffic collision with a car in County Waterford. And on the 27th of December, a 16-year-old male suffered tragic and fatal injuries when the tractor he was driving overturned in County Clare. That brings to 189 the number of people who have died on Irish roads so far this year. Their families, friends, loved ones, devastated by their loss, their communities affected forever. Over the course of week 4, from Monday the 22nd of December until Sunday the 28th of December, the Garda Síochána conducted over 2,100 checkpoints, and despite all the media commentary, the public commentary, the talking about the dangers on our roads, another 149 drivers were arrested for driving under the influence of an intoxicant, which brings to nearly 600 drivers who have been arrested in December 2025 during our road safety campaign for driving under the influence of an intoxicant, be it alcohol or drugs, predominantly illegal drugs. That's 600 people who took alcohol or took a drug and still made the conscious decision to get behind the wheel of a car, put themselves, possibly their passengers, and all other road users at risk. In the same period, over 4,600 drivers were detected for driving in excess of the speed limit last week. Again, 4,600 drivers who took the conscious decision to drive in excess of a posted speed limit and putting everybody on the road in danger. Over 435 vehicles were seized by An Garda Síochána. Majority of them, or approximately half of them, were seized for low insurance. Again, drivers who with no insurance decided to take their cars out of the roads. This week we enter another very, very busy period on our roads. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. There will be lots of people out socialising and travelling to meet friends and families and enjoy the celebrations. New Year's Day again will be a family day with people travelling to meet loved ones, and then over the weekend people will be returning maybe back to their homes as we all prepare for the new year and getting back to work. Our appeal again is over the next few days. Please be careful on our roads. An Garda Síochána's road enforcement campaign will continue until Monday the 5th of January. We will still be out in force, we still be out carrying out speed detections, and we will still be out carrying out checkpoints. We do not want to be knocking on anybody else's door again before the end of 2025 or at the start of 2026. At the end of the day, everybody sits behind the wheel of a vehicle, or gets on a scooter, or gets on a motorbike, or goes for a walk on the road, and they have a responsibility when they're on that road. Our roads are the most dangerous place that we will all use every single day. And unless we're all paying attention and doing our own little piece. So I don't want to divide road user groups against each other. Everybody needs to do their piece. Everybody needs to be visible on the roads. Everybody needs to slow down that little bit. Speed limits are not targets. The amount of time you save by travelling in excess of the speed limit is minuscule on a long journey. Yes, you're better off to get home safe or get to wherever you're going to visiting safe, rather than us having to come and knock on somebody's door again in 2026.